Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's a new month, so that means brand new club kits from Spellbinders. For 2023, I'm working with their Quick and Easy Card Kit of the Month, their 2D embossing folder, and also their 3D embossing folder of the month. The 2D embossing folder this month is called Stylized Calla Lily. It's a beautiful design. The 3D embossing folder is called Tiled Motif. I love the larger size, perfect for A2 size cards, 5x7, slimline size, quite a wide variety. The card kit theme this month is Be Yourself. All of the kit contents come in a reusable zippered pouch. The kit includes an information card that has a list of contents. There are 2 card samples on one side, and on the opposite side there's a card tutorial on how to assemble one of the card samples. The cardstock that's included in the kit is cut down into A2 size card panels. You'll receive a total of 20 in 5 different colors. This month we have a light blue, dark green, a bright yellow, pink, and also purple. Perfect colors for some fun spring cards. Next up we have the pattern paper. These are 6 by 6 inches in size and they are single-sided. You'll receive a total of 20 sheets. We'll go through the designs quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. There are lots of beautiful floral designs this month. We have a pretty teal wood grain. There's another lovely floral design that has some gold foil accents. I love that Spellbinders includes a good variety of muted or tone-on-tone patterns, and that's always helpful when working with busier patterns. There are some lovely plaids. Here's a pretty pink honeycomb design. Another plaid. Lots of polka dots. This one's really sweet. Pink background with lots of bees. We have a yellow gingham. This one has the look of a textured linen, but all of the papers are smooth. And then the final is a little scribble heart design. Next up we do have the coordinating die cut pack, and I'll lay all of those out at the end of the video so you can see what's included. Here's the sheet of puffy stickers this month. Lots of sentiments, which is really nice. And there are actually 2 sheets of puffy stickers this month. The second one is larger sentiments and also a bunch of hearts and arrows. There are 2 sheets of chipboard stickers, and all of the colors and designs work perfectly with the pattern paper. More sentiments and also some icon images. For embellishments this month, there's a bag of sequins. It's a beautiful blue color that coordinates with the kit. There are months where I find the sequin color doesn't always coordinate, but this color is perfect. The kit also includes 8 A2 size card bases and 8 A2 size envelopes. The card bases have a linen texture finish on one side and they're smooth on the other. Then there's a sheet of foam squares and also a roll of adhesive tape. And here's a look at all of the die cut images that are included in the kit. And this month there are lots of sentiments along with the icons. My favorite image is the adorable little hedgehog with flowers on her head. So cute. There are always tons of die cut shapes included with Spellbinders card kits, and there are 2 of each. If you are interested in subscribing to any of Spellbinders club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. They have a wide variety of different clubs available, lots of different dies of the month. There's a glimmer of the month, stamp of the month, and there's even a value bundle if you want to subscribe to all of them. The clubs are open to new subscribers starting on the 6th through the 27th of the month. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using the new kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.